My name is Shawn Walchef, host of the Restaurant Influencers podcast on Entrepreneur. I also own barbecue restaurants, Cali Barbecue in San Diego, and this is KEENON Robots. We are here with Bryce, KEENON Robotics. My daughter, I have a 3-year-old daughter, and she begged me. We went to a restaurant, Mama Ramona's in Ramona, about 45 minutes outside of San Diego, and we saw this at my friend Andrew Simmons' restaurant. And my daughter said, "Dad, we need a robot at our barbecue restaurants." And now we have a robot. Bryce, tell us a little bit about this one, and then tell us the National Restaurant Association show you guys have the upgraded model.
Great, I'm Bryce, I'm with KEENON. So this is our T5. It's a robot that navigates using lasers and sensors. The way it works is you put your food on a tray, you tap on which table to go to, and it goes directly to the table. The waiter or the customer sitting at the table will take their food, tap on the screen, and it'll go right back to the kitchen or on to the next task. The robot has a few sensors to avoid obstacles, so it won't hit anything. The trays are adjustable. So right now you can see we have 4 trays on there, but it can be reduced to 3 if you have some larger objects. The robot can go up to 4 tables at once. It can also bus dishes if you need to send dishes from the tables to the kitchen.
Where are people using these robots? So I know we have them in our barbecue restaurants, but what other applications? Where are people using robots?
So senior care facilities, casinos, look, dine in cinemas, movie theaters, that kind of thing. Anything that needs to be delivered, long, medium, short distance, it works in that type of environment.
So I'll tell you a quick story. We had the robot working on Mother's Day. Mother's Day, one of the busiest days in our restaurant business. And we reprogrammed our restaurant for delivery and for takeout. So we actually put a table where the robot was supposed to deliver. And the robot got to the table and the robot started crying.
Yes.
And I was like, oh no, the robot's crying.
Yeah.
And it's because we had moved the table, but the robot is so smart that it knows exactly where it is. And Eric, my general manager and business partner, he said, I've never had a staff member that I can program to go back to the same place every single time. Because every time in the hospitality business, we're always trained to just go where we're needed.
Yes.
So we never go back from one spot back to the kitchen, but the robot literally goes from one spot back to the kitchen, and it's very efficient.